YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl, Lilcutenurse. I'm back with another video. This month's Ipsy BoxyCharm boxes. Y'all know I've been doing these videos for about, what, 3-4 months now? And I just realized I usually compare this box, the Ipsy box, to the BoxyCharm Lux box. Okay, but this is the Ipsy Lux. I don't know if I explained that. And it's $25 a month. And the BoxyCharm box is $21 a month. I don't know if I ever said that, but I just want to be clear. So for what we're getting in this BoxyCharm box for $21, we're going to compare it this month to what we get in this Ipsy box for $25. Okay? So let's see what we got. The Peace and Love Boxy from BoxyCharm. That's what it says. Pure Complexion Authority Festival. Okay, let's see what's the first. Oh, okay. Artist Couture Highlight. Y'all know what? I have a few of these. Let me run go grab them. I got 3 or 4 of these, but I can only find 2. The 2 that Jackie Aina came out with. I know one is in my makeup box for this month. I didn't share with you guys, but it's so full of stuff. Maybe I'll do that video tomorrow. But anyway, this is $27. And I got Illuminati. This is the one that came in the BoxyCharm. Let me back up and not confuse you guys. This is the one that came in this month's box. And it's called Summer Haze. I had to use my tweezers to get into this. It was pretty difficult. But this is what this looks like. This is the one. Yeah, that's really bright. This is the Summer Haze color. This is the one that I already have. I think I got it in a previous BoxyCharm box a while ago. I'm gonna dip in there and swatch it right next to Summer Haze. Summer Haze got a real sort of pinkish kind of tone to it. And then this one Jackie Aina that I could find, the LeBrons. And I got La Peach. But like I said, it's in the bottom of that box that I have for this month. That let you know I have not been using it. That's LeBron's. I know that was a horrible swatch. But yeah. So I got a few of these. And I think I like using these for on top of my shadows. Not so much as a highlight, but we can play with it, y'all. We can use it real quick as a highlight. We're gonna go with the Summer Haze just to see what it looks like. Put a little bit on that brush. Let's see. Looks wet looking. Ooh, that's too much glow. That's too much glow. Let me get that blended in there. Ooh, yeah, I'm doing too much. I'm doing way too much. But I know I like these. That's all I want to say. I didn't know anything about the Summer Haze. And it's not yeah, it's not chunky looking. It's just real blinding. But yeah, I just had to share those through with y'all. And that was $27. The next thing in here is a Starlux. What is this? Starlux Ultra Glam Gem Long Eye Pencil. How much is this pencil? It's how much is it? Oh, $19. And it's, ooh, look at that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that shade. Oh no, y'all. This, I find somebody that can use this. You see that color? Let me see. I don't think that's gonna even show up on me. Yeah, I'll probably pass that on to my daughter. She can do something with that. And it's kind of firm. It's not creamy at all. And this is Christopher Buckle Cashmere Slip. And what is this? Christopher Buckle. Oh, a long wear lipstick. It's $18. Oh, that is beautiful. I like the way the bullet is made. Get that. And turn it right side up. See, oh, that's a pretty shade. It's Let me quit playing. Y'all know I can't see that. Renaissance. I don't know what that shade is. Let's see. Fiddle zoom in. Let's just watch it. Oh, that's real pretty. It's almost like the shade that I have on. And I'm just loving the bullet itself. That's so different and neat. I like that. Okay, let's move on. How much was that lipstick? Did I say? Oh, $18. $18. Okay. What's the next thing? Oh, some more Luxy brushes. $28. I am seriously collecting these Luxy brushes. I really am. I really like them. I know it's about the third month we've got them. Oh, these are two-tone. Look at that. That green yellow at the bottom. And that pink at the top. Okay, $18 for these brushes. We got a 512 small contouring brush, a 245 small shader brush, and a 209 large shader brush. Okay, thank you for these brushes. They're going right on in the collection. And the next thing I see in here, oh, the last thing I have in here is an eyeshadow palette. Pure Cosmetics Authority Festival palette. And let's just get it open. Pure been doing it, y'all. They've been coming out with some palettes. What is this? Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. Okay, that's in there free. It feels like air, but I won't open it. And this is the palette. Isn't that pretty? And let's see what the shades look like together. Ooh. 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 Look at that. Those are beautiful. Those are blinding. Let's get this off. I gotta put my finger in there. Oh, that's straight glitter. Look at that. Swatch. Oh, that's like butter. Let me swatch this red. Oh, this feels like that shade that's in the Huda Beauty palette, that nude palette, the one with the real red glitter. Let's see. That's exactly, I'm gonna put a different color inside. Feels like straight up glitter. We'll see. Let me see if this pink really pink. It's not buttery, but it's really pink. Okay, that's it. That's all for BoxyCharm. Okay, $21. Okay, I'm liking the palette. I think so far I really haven't used it. The lipstick is a go. The brushes and the Illuminati. This thing here, I don't really care for. I think this is the only thing that could have kept for me is this pencil. I'm not really in love with it. Okay, that's just the truth. I'm not really in love with this. But like I said, I give it to one of my daughters. This Artist Couture, this Summer Haze. Yeah. Oh, let me show y'all. I don't know if I can put this on top of something on my lid. Let's just see how this just. Yeah, see, I like it for that. Y'all see that? I'm gonna put it on this side too. Make them even. See, I just done messed them up. Let me go ahead and here spread this out. So I'll be glowing like in all the wrong places. I like this palette for that. I don't do all this glowing that I'm doing right now, but I'm just gonna do it for y'all right now. Okay, all right, let's see what's in this Ipsy box this month for $5 more additional dollars. Let's see what's the difference. And y'all can tell y'all I got the email from Ipsy. This box has more skincare in it than anything from what I saw. It was a lot of skincare. I think could have been last month's box. Yeah, I think I might be wrong. Anyway, Ipsy box is $25 a month, and we got new in season fresh to beauty. The first thing I see is Balance Moisture Cream. Looks like a hand cream. Oh wow, moisture. That's a big bottle. I didn't. It looked like a little tiny. Wow. Apply to dry, clean skin liberally. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna use this. Yeah, this going straight in my work bag. Get this off. $28 for some lotion. Okay, who is this by? Oh, it smells good. Ooh, it's not sticky. Oh, I like this. I like this. Moisture Balancing Cream by Feel. F-E-E-L. Okay, we're good there. That was 28 bucks. Let's see. Paris Hilton Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. Oh, it's a face wash. The cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar liner, pineapple-derived enzymes to brighten skin, cucumber to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. I need you. Come here. Okay, this is it. 4.1 ounces. Paris Hilton. I didn't know she did skincare. Pro DNA. That's what it says. Okay. And that's a pretty big bottle. It's a gel cleanser. That's pretty big. Definitely gonna be checking this out. Y'all know I'm anything skincare. Anything skincare. Let's move on. And how much was that? Did I say how much that Paris Hilton was, y'all? I know I get to talking and miss some stuff. That was $29 for that face wash. And then the next thing I see in here is a Heavenly Skin. I think I just saw, I was watching one of Tati videos, I think, and she just reviewed this brush. It's for makeup or for foundation or applying skincare. It's It Cosmetics Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. This brush was $48 alone. That's 2 of these boxes. So, yeah, I'm good. UCB just, I don't know. For just $5 more, I don't know. You know, they may not compare to the Lux brush. I mean, BoxyCharm is what, $40 plus, you know, a little change. But this $25 to the $21 box, it's a really comparison. That's what this brush looks like. Yeah. It's really dense too. So you could use it for skincare or you could use it for foundation. I'm cool with that. I like that brush. And then I have, Lovecraft bronzing palette. This bronzing palette is $39. Now here is the thing. Let's see. Oh, it's my shade. I was trying to say, let's see, is it my shade? But the shades are on the back. Y'all see that? Let's cut in here. See what we got. Girl, y'all, they got the shades right. Lovecraft Beauty. $39. I never heard of that company. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we're going to have to open this just to see if these bronzers. Oh, yes. Yes, they are definitely going to match me. I'm going to use one right now. I'm going to go with the deepest one just to be sure. See how it goes on. Ooh, you know what? Maybe we should do, well, if y'all want me to, a full face of subscription box makeup. Y'all know I be talking, that video be long as hell. But if y'all want me to, y'all know I'll be willing any opportunity to talk. Okay, and the last thing I see in here, I heard of this company, Lovecraft. Daily Brand Product Skincare Color Cosmetics. I'm gonna play with this though. I'm gonna play with this. It didn't look like it got too dark. I went right back to talking. I was trying to keep it moving, y'all. Okay. The last thing in here is an eyeshadow palette. And this palette is by Laura Sanchez. Moods eyeshadow palette. And it says this palette is $35. The packaging is bomb. Bomb. Let's see what the shades look like together. Oh, it's got a brush. Oh, okay. Ipsy, y'all doing it. Y'all are doing it. I like that brown right there. Can y'all see that? I don't know about these highlighters. This brush, it's a little cheapy brush. Swatch a few of these colors. Oh, they feel like buttery. They feel real buttery. Look at that. Put it right here. Oh, wow. That might be real nice. One more. Let me do this green. This feels real buttery. Let's go right here. Ooh, I don't know. I might have been talking too fast. Let me get some of this gold. I'm gonna get some of this gold right here, y'all. This big old mirror though. Oh. Oh, what did I do? I wasn't expecting all that. That came from right here. This little highlight. I gotta mess up the other side since I done messed up that side. Oh, I like this palette already. Yeah, I like it. Yes, maybe I should do a full face of boxy stuff, boxes. Girl, this palette though. Okay, that's it, y'all. That's it for both boxes, and I have to already go ahead and say Ipsy did it. This Ipsy box has outdone my BoxyCharm box. Again, I like the palette. I like this blush, the lotion. The face wash is something I would use. I don't know. I just like subscription boxes. I think both of them are really good. And when I combine the price of two together, when I got way more stuff, maybe I should downgrade from that Lux. I don't know what to do here. But these two boxes make one hell of a lot of makeup for the price. This is good, and good makeup. I don't know. Ipsy got me shook right now. I don't know. I don't know which way to go. The It Cosmetics, the Luxy brushes, everything in these boxes are stuff that I really and truly like and that I really will use. The only thing I got that I know damn well I ain't gonna use and that I didn't like is this darn pencil. I don't know what that is. I just don't know. Let me play with it. It ain't doing nothing. It's too rough. The green is too light. Out of both boxes, this is the only thing that I don't like. But I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think and what y'all like. We at 16 minutes. It's time for me to go. Y'all know I keep here and sit talking. I got to run the Ulta real quick. Use my little 20% off. That way I can get my haul together from the stuff I got from 21 Days of Beauty and what I'm going to pick up with my 20% off. And, yeah, y'all, let me go, because y'all know I'll still sit here and keep talking. Besides, I'm starting to sweat because these lights are burning me up. I hope y'all having a blessed, wonderful Sunday. Yes, this is Sunday. And I'm going to do my best to run to the store, come back, get my barbecue on, my spaghetti on, because I barbecued on the grill. That's why I'm so late doing this. See, I'm talking again. Come on. That don't make no sense. Okay, y'all, I will see you guys shortly in the next video, which will be in my Ulta haul. Okay? Alright. I'll talk to y'all later. Stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.